I have given you the.
Yeah, done. Wonderful. Let's start. Begin. Speed labs. Very nice.
Yeah. So I welcome you to the Speed Labs product demonstration. So this platform was introduced in the year 2015 by Mr. Vivek Vashni, who along with 25 plus IITians worked on this platform, and he was modeling this platform for 3 years up to 2018. So in the last year, we were only with a single client, and now all over India, 1,000 plus institutes are using our platform. So we have grown rapidly in just 1 year.
Please continue. I'm just taking a pen.
Okay, so here let's see the motive of this platform and on which basis it is working. Whatever you teach your students in the classroom, the lecturing part, that is only 25%. Later, you provide them with tests and examinations, that is 5%. So in this 30%, you will be there for your students to guide them and monitor them. But rest 70% of the things which students are going back home and doing the self studies, which includes revision, practice session, and homework, where students will be having no one to guide them and monitor them. So our platform has filled this traditional gap between you and your students. Through our platform, you can monitor all the 70%. You can guide them, you can monitor them, even you can give them the feedback. Now, here are the few challenges faced by the coaching centers. If they only go with the offline method, there will be only printed materials provided for the students with no real time analysis, and no proper monitoring is possible because no technology has been involved in the offline method. Whereas in the online method, there will be only spoon feeding solutions provided for the students with a mechanical teaching approach. And most of the platforms are replacing the teachers, so the students won't be getting personal touch of their teachers. But in our platform, we are not doing that. We are not replacing the teachers. Instead, we are helping them to grow with us. So all these drawbacks have been collected, and we have come up with a solution that is a hybrid model, which is combination of both offline and online. So basically, this platform is working on three T's, that is teacher plus technology is equal to transformation. When the students are having their teachers, and also if they have technology, they'll be growing into the betterment. So this platform is technology enabled, that is you can take interactive sessions through our platform, which is going to have many number of features. And this platform is majorly concentrating on the students practice session. So this practicing is working on artificial intelligence, which is going to provide right quality questions as per the students IQ level.
So, do you have a PDF of? Oh, this is a presentation. So, what you can do, like you can mail me this presentation. Sorry. Yeah.
Okay, so
Sorry for the PJ. Sorry, sorry.
okay, shall I continue?
Yeah, please continue.
Okay. So after every practice session, you're going to get the report of the students, where you can find the real-time analytics, where you can see the accuracy, the speed, and gaps between the chapters, so you can give them the feedback according to that.
Okay.
So this platform is 360-degree solutions for the students, where they're getting short notes, important concepts, recorded videos, the study materials. And we are also providing this practice session where students can practice 24 into 7 on our platform. Here you'll be having the test also, where you can provide the test for your students. And in our platform, we have large question bank of more than 2 lakh questions. And here we are also providing the support team with you. Whenever you are onboarding with us, we'll be in contact through WhatsApp. And if you are facing any issues, you just have to ping us through WhatsApp, and our technical team will be available 24 into 7.
Onboarding
So
is
as I
what is onboarding? You're providing me job or something like that.
know, when you are going to.
Shruti, Vinay sir, are you there?
Yeah, yes, I am here.
Yes.
Vinay Rana sir?
Sorry.
Yes,
Uh,
Deepika.
yes. Shruti, do you find it कि sir like genuinely interesting है हमारे demo देखने के लिए?
Yes.
Because I don't find कि he is interested.
Sorry, me. You are saying to me?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
you.
Yugal sir, may I help you?
Yes, sir. Nothing, no issues. I'm really interested in this session.
Okay, so are we just started, Deepika, or are we in the end of the session?
She started and she was like,
Only started, sir, but I find it like sir is not serious. Okay, so I find it like that. If you will say you are serious, then please take it seriously because we are all doing job
Because
here.
I'm just requesting you to please cooperate, right?
I'm cooperating. I was just asking one question, like,
Yes, please.
what recently Deepika, I think some said something onboarding. So I thought like
Yes.
onboarding is done when people offer the job, like so that was like this
No, it's
misconception.
No,
just
I'm
not.
talking.
No, sir. It might be something you're misunderstanding. We call it when client came in a collaboration with us, so we call it a onboarding,
Okay, okay,
right?
that collaboration is
Once you are going to gain with us, that we call it
yeah,
onboarding,
it's a
right?
two-way communication. Got it, got it. No, no issues, no issues.
Yes, yes, Deepika, we can go ahead, no problem.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So as I told you, 1,000+ institutes are using our platform. Big brands like Resonance, Bundle Classes, and Super 30 are also using our platform. They are partners with us. And this platform has also come up in the front page of the Times of India newspaper.
Okay.
This is all about the basic introduction. Now I'll start with the platform and explain the features. So, sir, you told me that you're taking classes from 6th standard, right?
Generally, I take classes from 8 to 12, plus graduation and not post graduation. Post graduation students they generally just consult up to graduation, up to 8 to 12, plus 3 years of graduation plus 2 years of diploma also.
Okay. So yeah, this is the login page of the Speed Labs platform. Here we are providing this platform for 6th standard to 12th standard students and also for JW and NEET. So when we provide you with the platform, we'll be giving you three kinds of login IDs: the master login, the teacher's login, and the student login. We are also providing it for all three, both state, CBSE as well as ICSE. You just have to give us the information of your student, which board they are studying in, and we are going to create the login IDs as per your requirement.
Okay. So is only for 10 plus 2 and Z or something, some graduation students, some engineering students, some diploma students.
No, no, it's for 6th standard to 12th standard students plus JW and NEET, not for graduation students and all.
Okay.
Yeah. So now when the students logins, these are the tabs they are going to see. This is a home page where they can see how many number of questions they have practiced in which subject. So in my ID in science it's 424, in maths it's 684, in social it's 5. By this way students are going to understand in which subject they are going good in the practice session or in which they are lacking behind. Here you can see the notice board through which you can notice your students. For example, if there is a holiday and you want to notice that with your students, you can do it. You just have to upload it from the admin panel and students are going to get the notices here. Even here you can share the YouTube video links for the students so they can click on the link and they'll be taken to the videos which you have shared. And next is a practice tab. This is a unique tab of our platform because this tab works on artificial intelligence. So students can select the subject here and then they can start with a new session. So any particular subject do you want me to select here?
Mental ability. I think.
Like sir, mainly we are focusing on science, maths and social science. We do have mental ability, but
Then I think social science. I'm more interested in social.
okay. And when they start the session they'll be getting all the chapter list here, so student can choose up to 3 chapters at a time, because if they choose more than 3 they are going to get confusions within the questions. And here in the question type they'll be getting options. If they want objective or subjective, they can choose the difficulty level here. And here there will be another option called as past year questions. They can select that also and start the session.
Last year questions. So Sanjana, you really cannot speak Hindi. I mean, it's just normal question.
Yes, sir.
It's like
She's from South.
Okay, okay. Oh, you are from South. Okay, got it. Then no issue. No issue.
do you want me
हम
like
हिंदी में
if you
continue
want
कर सकते हैं.
Yeah.
I was just asking in a way because I understand both ways, Hindi and English, but I don't understand South language. South language I don't know, but I
Okay.
understand English and Hindi and some sort of Punjabi also because Punjabi is like sorry.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want it in Hindi, Deepika can continue.
Continue. It's a great feeling, great feeling.
Okay. So now when the session is started, they'll be getting all the questions related from the chapters they have chosen. So in our platform, we are providing 2 lakh plus questions, and these questions will be updated every week. For every chapter, there will be more than 300 to 400 questions available.
Okay.
How artificial intelligence works is when a student selects any of the option and submits the answer. If the student goes right in the first attempt, the platform is going to give the full solution here. But if the student is failing to as the platform is both providing both full solution and the concept, students are going to learn half of the things here itself in the practice session. So what if the student goes wrong in their first attempt? Let me show you how it works. So at the beginning, AI will be providing few medium level questions for the student. If the student is answering those medium level questions, it is going to level up the questions for them. But if the student is failing to answer the medium level question also, it is going to decrease the level for them. This is how AI works. It will be mind mapping the students based on their IQ level, and it is going to provide the questions accordingly. So each and every students are going to get different questions depending on their IQ level. Now, when the student goes wrong in their first attempt, now AI is not providing the correct option anywhere. Instead, it is just giving the concept and making the student to learn the concept, understand the concept, and try the question again. Here, spoon feeding is not happening for a student. Our platform is giving them another chance to try the question again. Now, if the student goes right in the next attempt, it will be well and good, and the platform is going to provide the full solution. They can go with the similar question, or if they want different kinds of question, they can click on the next button. So this is how AI works. It will be mind mapping all the students depending on their practice session, and it is going to provide the questions accordingly.
Please do it again. Just make it back, something like that. The last question.
Sorry,
Last
I
question.
cannot go back to the last question.
Why it's okay? Maybe some AI. Okay.
Yeah.
Please correct answer.
Okay. So next, if the student goes wrong in their next attempt also, at that time AI will be providing the correct option. And it also says 59% of the students have gotten this right. And average time taken by them is 2 seconds. Time taken by me is 18 seconds. As time is provided, students can compare themselves with other students, and timing will help them for their competitive exams like JW or NEET.
Okay.
And if they want different kinds of question, they can click on the next button, or if they want similar, they can click on the similar question. Now when the student is having any doubt in any of the question, they can just mark it for clarification here. So this question, the students are going to you are going to get it on your panel, that is admin panel. And whenever you see that, you'll be able to solve the students doubt and make them understand where they are going wrong, what exactly their doubt is. You'll be clearing it out for the students.
So
But when the student thinks
you have gone through
Mhm.
the presentation and you know the answers, right? Yeah.
No, I have not gone through the questions. I'm just practicing. I'm just taking the option while explaining. That's it.
So they are also random in front of you like me.
Sorry,
I mean, they are also random in front of you like me, or is it just real time session?
I'm not getting your voice is not proper.
Okay. I mean, this is a real time session, or like you have, you know this about this pages. That's why you're explaining, or you're just going with the real time.
I am explaining this platform because I know it already.
Okay. So you have the idea about it. Yeah, great. Go ahead. But
Yeah.
I was just asking about the questions. These questions reflecting. That's why.
No, I don't know what question is which question is coming next. It is just a random question I'm getting.
In the platform. Okay.
Okay. So now when the session is ended, automatic report will be generated. This report says attempted number of questions, questions they got correct, average accuracy. Here you can see the student name, which class they are studying in, the date and all. Coming down here, you can see how many of the questions are incorrect. Global accuracy of that, how many of the questions are correct, average time taken by the students to solve that. Now, when you click on the total number of questions, you will be getting session details, where we have this unique feature and best feature of our platform, that is global correct time, which says students globally used to take just 3 seconds to solve the first question, but I took 1 minute 6 seconds. If your students were taking more time, you will be understanding that student is having some doubt in the concept. But if the global correct time was more, and if your students were just taking 2 to 3 seconds, you will be understanding that student is not practicing properly, not even learning the concept. They are just taking an option to get over with the practice session. Here you can see the global accuracy with if it is right or wrong if they have skipped it. So you might notice there is a color difference between incorrect. What red color indicates is this is a easy level question. More than 60% of the students used to solve this in one go, but your student has failed to solve this. It means your student is weak in this particular concept. You and your student has to give more importance for this, which are in red color. You can view each and every question with concept and full solution. By this way, you will be monitoring all your students now, as this report is available in your panel also, so that you can take out the print and share it with their parents via email or hot copy. Next is a test tab. In the test tab, there are two options. One is student can create their own test to analyze themselves, and after each and every test, at the end of the test, they'll be getting the report here in the test history. So they'll be getting proper solution for each and every question, and you will be also getting this report to analyze your students. Next option is institute test, through which you can provide the test for your students. You just have to upload the test from the admin panel. By selecting the start date, end date, time, and all, students are going to get the test here. They just have to start the test according to the time scheduled by your institute. Next is a homework, where automatically every Sunday homework will be generated for the students, and this homework is going to depend on the student's practice session. So our platform is analyzing each and every student on the basis of practice session, and it is going to provide the homeworks accordingly. For example, if in a batch you are having 20 students, all 20 of them will be getting different homeworks. Next is the live classes, through which you can take online classes for your students, which will be up to 3 hours continuously without any interruption. And whichever classes you are taking, our platform is going to auto record all the sessions you have taken, and it is going to share it on the students dashboard here. So if your student have missed any of your classes, they'll be getting all the recorded sessions here, so that they can watch it at any time and they won't be missing any of your classes.
So like
And
one question,
yeah,
like the sessions will be recorded and they will be uploaded over these forms, right?
platform. Yes. Okay. So next is a learn tab. In that we have concept, where we are providing conceptual notes. So when the students learn, when the students are having their exams and they don't know how good they are in that, sorry. So when the students are having their exams, and if they want to learn, revise it very quickly, they can come here and select the subject which they want and the chapter, and they'll be getting all the notes, all the concept here, which will be in the form of slides. So these slides will be short and precise. This will help the students for their revision purpose. Next is a videos, where we are providing animated videos up to 10 standard students for subject science and maths. So students have to select the subject here, and then they can select the chapter, and they'll be getting all the videos here, which is going to cover all the concept in that particular chapter. Now I'll be playing a random video so that you'll get the idea about it.
When we move from one place to another, the measure of total length we cover is called the distance. So you have to travel to this town, and the best route is straight up north. But because of roadworks along the way, we have to take a detour, and the distance covered would be something like this. Now, when the roadworks are completed, the distance needed to be covered will be something like this. Distance is measured in meters, and denoted as lowercase m. The distance between these two towns is about 20,000 meters, but because of the detour, you had to cover a distance of 50,000 meters. Okay, so nobody likes big numbers unless it's your salary. So we should also know that a kilometer is 1,000 meters. In our example, we can say that instead of 20 kilometers, you traveled 50 kilometers. Is distance a scalar or a
These
vector?
kind of videos will be provided for the students, and as these are animated, they are going to understand the concept very easily and they'll have interest to learn it also. If you have any videos from your end, you can also upload it on our platform so that your students are going to get the videos which you have shared in the institute videos column. And next is a study material, the last thing, where we are providing for the students for all the subjects and all the chapters. So they have to select the subject here and then the chapter, and they'll be getting all the chapter notes, formula sheets, important questions, study materials, and NCRT solutions for that particular chapter. And the student can read it here itself online by clicking on the preview button, or if they want to download the device, they can download the notes, they can download it along with our content. If you have any content from your end, you can also upload it on a platform so that your students will be getting your content as well. Along with all of these things, we are providing branding and marketing support also here. Instead of Speed Labs, we are going to customize this platform for your institute name and logo. So whenever your student logins with this platform, they'll be seeing only your institute name instead of Speed Labs here. And also we are going to provide promotional videos for your institute as well as banners, which is all complimentary. We are not charging for the branding and marketing support, as well as we are not charging for the admin panel. We are just charging for the student login. So this is all about the platform, sir.
So like you said one thing. What was that? We are missing. Like Skill Labs. Can we just get onto that page? So I was like, forget.
Sorry.
Actually, yes. So you will create a website. Yeah.
Yes, this will be converted and customized for your institute name and logo.
Okay. What about the domain? Who will get the data? Who will get the data money?
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, I got the question. Question was that you said to me that you will do the advertising and marketing. That advertising and marketing will be done through the digital marketing. This you guys will do. I mean, the Speed Lab teams will do, right?
No, like we are helping you with the like promotional things. Like we'll be creating the videos and the banners, and we are going to provide it for you, which is a digital.
This-
Yeah.
Okay, got it. No issues. See, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Vinay, do you want to add anything here?
No, nothing.
Yes. Yeah. Anything, sir? I can help you with.
I have understood the idea, the Speed Labs.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I'm like, see, I'm going to investing very nearly in the future, very nearly. It's within 1 or 2 days. What I'm going to do,
Mhm.
I have like,
How many students you have at the moment, sir?
see, at the moment, I do not have, at present, 2 students are coming from tomorrow. They are in 4th and 8th, and many students I have taught almost.
Okay.
I
Have
was-
you ever? Okay, I got your point. Have you ever taken online classes before?
Yes,
Have you used any platform? Okay.
yes. Zoom platform,
Right. So
Google Meet,
Zoom and Google Meet.
and
Right. Right.
Cisco WebEx also I have used. So and even I do attend conferences through Google Meet.
So
Zoom,
yeah, basically you are saying that you just have only 2 students at the moment with you.
no. These are like my coaching institute. It's new and the present location is new, but I have this. I have taught in various colleges, so that the past database. But at present, from tomorrow, 2 students are coming, and from tomorrow. and plus I do the consultancy work. That is the different thing. That is not related.
Okay. So you're giving, I mean, like it's like a home tuitions you are taking, right?
Yeah, home tuition.
For
I
those
charge-
two students?
home tuitions charge more money, and when they come to the center or the coaching institute, it is less
So
money.
you're the owner of the center, sir, or is it like you are associated with something, someone?
Like I'm the wholesaler, I'm the whatever. एक second. चार बज गए, 5 बजने वाले हैं, 5, हाँ बोलो, yes.
Yes, yes. So I was just asking that, I mean, like, are you running any coaching institute or tuition center at the moment?
See, where I'm sitting in a market, and I've taken a shop.
Okay.
This is my kind of office. People come in here, like you can see in the background. These are chairs. This is
Yes, yes, yes. I'm getting an idea, sir.
yeah. This is my institute, and students come to me because majorly at present online students are coming more and more.
This link is going to expire. Can you all join with the same link again?
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, no problem. I will connect you over the call. Yeah, you could, sir. I will connect you.